All right, guys, we got Chad here. Going to crack open a couple boxes. 17-18 Donruss Optic. Good luck, good luck. Stack and we will roll through. All right, number one. All right, TJ Leaf, orange. It's number 2/199. Tilakina rookie, Lonzo Ball rookie. Jarrett Allen, number 79, pink. Dorsey rookie. All clear for takeoff. Harden, silver. Marco Fultz rookie. Westbrook takeoff. Wishful thinking, Greek freak. Dosick rookie. Fultz, the rookies. Markkanen rookie. And finish up box one. Got a Dwight Powell autograph. That is number 2/10, gold. Gold, gold, gold. What's up, Tommy? What you doing, man? Bradley Beal green. It's number 175. And base. All right, good start with the gold auto. Number two. Yeah, push back until May 2nd, as of right now. Kind of figured that was probably going to happen, though. All right, Chad, box two. Keep rolling here. Rudy Gobert, number 199. Tatum, base rookie. Another Tatum, the rookies. Lonzo Ball, the rookies silver. And Kyle Kuzma, rookie. It's a great box so far. Isaac, rookie. Willie Cauley-Stein, green. 175. Hui, rookie. Josh Jackson, rookie. And autograph is Derek White. Swanigan, rookie. Greek Freak, Clear for Takeoff, Wishful Thinking, Klay Thompson, and Dave Bing, retro. Green to 175. Dylan Brooks, rookie. Finish box 2. Selden. Wishful Thinking, Devin Booker, another Lonzo Ball. Base rookie. And Kevin Love, pink. That is numbered to 79. Round out box 2. Alright, gonna keep going here. Boxes 3 and 5 on the left. Okay. Missed 12-13 NT. That was a great product for the double rookie class. But that also meant there were a bunch of bad rookies in it too. So plenty of bad boxes of that stuff. Yeah, my guess is probably going to be 2 to 3 per case. All right. Devon Reed, base autograph. Jay Wilson, Wishful Thinking. Durant, marketing rookie. De'Aaron Fox. The rookies. Ferguson. Bacon rookie, Bryant, and orange of Torian Prince, 199. Blue Dave DeBuscher. A bio rookie, Chris Dunn red, 99. Jordan Bell rookie. Murray clear for takeoff. Wishful Thinking, James Harden. TJ Leaf rookie and Trevor Ariza green, 175. Round out box 3. Box 4. So it might catch your break. We'll see what the singles prices look like, guys, when it comes out. I know it's going to be hot. I know we're going to pull some crazy stuff. We always do every year. Hopefully we can pull one of the major Logo Men auto RPAs. That would be awesome. All right, Isaac rookie. Another Wii rookie. Josh Jackson. Tony Bradley. Larry Bird All-Stars red to 99. Thanks, brother.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Kuzma. And we got a rated rookie signatures blue. Xiao Hui. Redemption. Stockton. Tatum rookie. Victor Oladipo green. Number to 175. Ivan Robb to 99 red rookie. Josh Hart rookie. Greek Freak clear for takeoff. Switchful thinking Klay Thompson. Kennard rookie. Tatum no rookies. Tilakina rookie. Malik Monk and Andrew Wiggins. Orange. 199. Round out box number 4. Now pick a box. Alright. Let's try. Let's go 3 down on the right. Try this one. Redemption pissed me off. Hopefully we can see another one that says Mitchell on it. That'd be nice, right? We take that. All would be forgiven. That would be nuts. That would be nuts. All right, box number 5 overall. Keep it rolling. Pippen retro. Deion Waiters orange. 199. Jaylen Brown clear for takeoff. Aaron Gordon clear for takeoff. Another Fultz base rookie. Rob rookie. Gary Harris green 175. Markelle Fultz. Silver. That's a nice one. Leiden rookie. Champions here, Jason Kidd. That's number to 49. Blue. And autograph, DJ Wilson. There's a Mitchell silver. Nice one. And Juwan Evans, red. It's to 99. Another Juwan Evans. It's the green. 175. Justin Jackson and Jared Allen, base. All right. What you want to do, Chad? Bottom left. Okay. Mitchell redemption in every case. I wish. That would be awesome. Jordan Bell rookie. Wilson. There's another Mitchell silver. Nice, man. 2 of them. Sterling Brown, Courtney Lee. Orange 199. Mason. Another Mitchell. Base 1. A lot of Mitchells. Champions here. Kobe silver. Justin Jackson. The rookies, Dotson, followed by Semi, Olege, 175, and another gold autograph. This is 8 of 10. It's not an autograph. Flipped backwards. Fake out, Marquise Chris. First true gold, though. There we go. There's the autograph. Jarrett Allen. Nets. Josh Hart. Then Smith rookie. Drexler retro. Grant Hill. Blue All-Star parallel. Number to 49. Tilakina. Malik Monk rookie. Jimmy Butler red. It's to 99. And De'Aaron Fox rookie. Okay. What's box number 6? Top right. Okay. Keep rolling. Looking for a big rookie name. Here's a question. What would you guys rather open if you had your choice? 2 boxes of this or 1 box of Contenders? What do you think's the better buy? It's virtually the same price point. Markel Fultz. Brogdon clear for takeoff. Leiden. Clay Thompson switch for thinking. And Justin Jackson autograph. Juwan Evans silver. Jaylen Brown lime green. 175. Frank Mason red. To 99. Marketing. Bacon rookie. Collins rookie. Juwan Evans. That's a nice one. Kyle Kuzma. It's numbered 1 of 199. Thomas Bryant. Markel Fultz, the rookies. And clear for takeoff, Giannis. Okay. Now we're going to keep going with the top left. What's up, Anthony? Anthony, we tried to do some flawless group breaks today, and nothing really materialized. Kind of stalled out right around 5-6 spots left and everything, and that was about it. So just doing personals. There's been no group breaks run today. Cody says he's still interested in flawless. I'm sure that Alan's probably still interested in flawless as well. So we got people that want to try to roll with something, we can. I think Greg was supposed to be getting back from the doctor here in a little bit. He said he might be doing a full case. So not giving a hope yet on the flawless. Might be doing some. This is box number 8. Oh, signature series. Very nice. Jason Tatum. There's a good hit. Nice, man. Jason Tatum signature series. Jordan Bell. It's number to 49, blue. Lakina. Here for takeoff, Harden. That's red parallel, number 299. Tilakina silver. It's a Tatum silver, the rookies. Another nice piece. Aaron Fox rookie. Monk rookie. Anobi. 199. Dennis Smith rookie. And finish up this one. Green Lou Williams. 175. And Kennard, base rookie. Just finish it quickly. All right, let's keep it going. Anthony, I was trying to do both. The reverse snake draft has 6 spots left right now. Do it now before I change my mind. All right, let's end with a bang here. Last one, we don't have any 17 good one. And yes, I'll be happy to send you just the hits, buddy. We don't have any 17 good one. Only 16. Brooks rookie, another Tatum, base, Kuzma, Ilyasova, 79, pink, De'Aaron Fox, Markelle Fultz, LeBron James, green, 175. Lonzo Ball. One silver. Josh Jackson, excuse me. Harry Giles. Justice Winslow, 199. And Amir Johnson, signature series. And base. All right, next. Boom, Amir Johnson, let's go. Got him. Everybody loves Amir Johnson autographs, right? The one to get. Yeah, they definitely got some interesting autographs in the lineup in this one. Because that's what people want, baby. They want Vin Baker. Collectible. Thornwell, Frank Jackson, Kobe All-Stars, De'Aaron Fox, and Dennis Smith, red rookie, to 99. We have a TJ Leaf, rookie autograph. Tilakina rookie. Malik Monk. DeRozan, clear for takeoff. That's gold, number to 10. Dennis Smith. Courtney Lee, blue, number to 49. Tatum rookie. Kuzma rookie. Another silver, the rookies, Jason Tatum. That's 2 of those now. Getting really good silvers. Curry, number to 199. Orange. And the last little bit of this one. Josh Jackson, rookie. And Lonzo Ball, rookie, followed by Jordan Clarkson. Pink, number to 79. All right, last box. Come on, let's end with a bang here. Thanks, Chad. Gonna go climb in a hole. We're not done yet. Dude, you got some decent pieces here. Silver rookies alone are gonna pay for a couple of boxes pretty easily. And the last one. Kuzma. That's a nice one right there. Markkanen. Number 36 of 79. Sweet piece. Ball. The rookies. Lime green DeMarcus Cousins. 175. Another Tatum. Selden rookie, Mike Conley, 199 orange. And our final autograph is, definitely got duped up in this case, DJ Wilson. And we hit one of those earlier, didn't we? We've got Lonzo Ball, Swanigan rookie, and finish with red Isaiah Thomas All-Stars. That is number 299. All right, buddy. Appreciate it, man. I will get all this packed up, ship out first thing in the morning for you.